In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to install WordPress locally on your computer. To install WordPress on your computer, you need to first visit the Bitnami website. You can click the link to it in the description below. Then scroll down and click on Download on your respective operating system. Since I'm using Windows, I'll click on Download here. And then you can skip all this and just click here on Take Me to the Download, and you can download the installer. I've already downloaded it, so I'll just go to the file. This is the installer. So, okay, let's begin the installation. Choose your preferred language and click on OK. And now we'll start the installation. Click on Next, and then Next again, and then one more time. And here we will now create an admin account. So enter your name here. Then enter your email address. In the login, you'll need to create a username which you will use to log into your WordPress website. And then create a password. And then click on Next. And here, enter your blog's name. And then click on Next. Click on Next. Finally, the setup is ready, so click here to begin the installation. Now, it'll take a few minutes to complete the installation. Once the installation is complete, you get redirected to this page. Click here to access your website. And this is your website. This is the URL of your website. Make sure you note it down somewhere. And then write wp-admin after your URL. To access the back end of your website, log in with the username and password you put. And then here is the back end of your website where you can add new posts or pages and customize the look of your website. This is how you can install WordPress locally on your computer. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.